What's the cake special today?
Happy birthday. Sorry, Mama. Sovish, happy birthday.
What's the picture? Okay?
Yes.
ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಾಗದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಓದೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೊದಲನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿಸೋದ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ 2 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳು. ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ? 2 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜ. 2 ಸೇರಿಸಿದೆ ಗಜ. ಗಜ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇ. ಇ ಈಶಾ. ಈಶಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಶಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾ ವಾ ನ ನ ನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆ. 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 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉ ಗದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗ ಕಿ ಕಿ ಗು 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 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನಿದೆ? ಗು. ಗು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನಿದೆ? ಗು ಗು ಕಿ ಕಿ ರ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರ ರ ರಿ ರ ರಿ. 2 ಸೇರಿಸಿದೆ ಗರಿ. 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 ಗುರಿ. ಗುರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
कितने साल का है दिवाकर? 3 साल का है। मीना का भाई दिवाकर कितने साल का है? 3 साल का है। किसके साथ खेल रहा है? चाचा जी। चाचा जी। चिक्कप्पा. What do you mean by चाचा जी in Kannada? Chikkappa. This is Chikkappa. Okay. His name was this Chacha ji. Chacha ji. Next, observe the next picture here. Next picture. What they are doing? They are sitting in the veranda. Veranda. They are sitting.
Square.
What shape is this? It's a cube. Cube, right? See, these are the faces. These are
faces.
the what are they? They are the faces. And these are edges. What do you call this?
Edges.
Edges. These are the edges. Okay? And these are the corners. See here. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you make out? These are the faces. Okay? Can you count how many faces are there in a cube? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is in the back. Okay? In the cube, how many faces it has?
6
cubes. Okay? And these are the, what are these?
face.
Edges. We call this as edges.
Yes.
Fine. Huh? Can you?
Planet in the solar system. See, Jupiter is the biggest or largest planet in the solar system. And Venus planet, we call Venus planet is called morning and evening star. Okay, see here. See here, Mars planet is in red color. Okay, it consists of clay.
2 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು 3 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳು. ಏನು?
3 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳು.
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್
ಆರಾಸ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಬ ದ
ಡ
ದ ವ
ಬಡವ.
ಬಡವ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಹಸಿರು.
ಹಸಿರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಕುದುರೆ.
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 ದಾಗು ತೂಗು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕುದುರೆ.
Neatly I have to write. Okay, no. Not from there. See? From here again I am going up. Okay? Then down. Up, down. Okay? Right. From here you... No. From here. Start from here. Start from here, this point. Down. Up. From here you have to start itself. Here we start. Up, down. Okay? Start from here.
Okay? Neat and pretty. Who is writing ABCD? Say it and write. Say it and write. Write neatly. Write neatly. Wait. Slanting line. This one. This is straight line. Left straight line. Okay? Slanting line. No problem. Left straight line. Okay? Write neatly. Sit down. Start writing. How is this? You should not write here. It is like this. Get it? How are you writing? Put it start. Good. How to place it like this? How you have to hold like this?
Okay. Join these legs. And you, what comes before 3? 3 think of what will come? 2, right?
Again, repeat. Plus. Moon shape. Heart shape. Oval shape. Star. Arrow.
Standing line. Yes, standing line. Circle. What is this? Yes. Circle.
Right? Circle. What's this? Circle. Every time circle. Every you also write circle. What is this? Circle. Circle. You also write circle.